Hey guys, welcome back. So I know I've been MIA from YouTube for a while, but I am back with a review, which I am so excited about. So as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm gonna be reviewing the Tress Wellness Complete Waxing Kit. So first I wanna say that I had already filmed this video, but once I was editing it, my microphone was making weird noises, kind of like staticky noises, and then parts of the video were kind of shaky, and I'm guessing because I'm using a new lens. So I had to restart all over. So a little backstory on why I decided to get this waxing kit. So my cousin had recommended like the little wax strips that you can get at the grocery store. So I tried those waxing strips, and for me personally, they did not work as good or as well. It didn't get all of the hair, and I know with waxing too, it doesn't always get all of the hair in one strip, but with the waxing strips, I did notice that it left a lot of hair behind, and I just kept ripping the strips to the point where I irritated my skin so bad. So I did a little research on waxing, and I decided to try it here at home. So I just wanted to show you guys how this waxing kit works. So obviously, since I told you guys that I had done this video before, I know what it feels like. So this will be my second time trying out this waxing kit, but I can tell you guys that I'm still nervous in doing it again just because it is a little painful. I can tell you guys that the waxing strips that I tried before this kit did hurt more, so I'm glad that I tried this waxing kit. If you guys hear baby noises, it's because baby is right over here on the floor playing with his toys, so he's just watching me film this video. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys what the box comes with. So you could probably guys see on the video, I have the machine out already just because I didn't bother putting it back in the box. So first off, it comes with these two sprays. It's a pre-wax spray and an after wax spray. It also comes with the little sticks to spread the wax. It comes with bigger ones and then smaller ones. It also comes with these little rings to put on the waxing machine so you won't get it all over the machine. And it does come with 5 different scented hard waxes. I have 4 here because I already used the first one when I first did the video. So for this video, I'm gonna use the lemon scented one. The other scents are peppermint, lavender, and tea tree. And the one I used before was eucalyptus. It also comes with these little pamphlets. So this one is the "Can you be allergic to waxing" pamphlet information. One is to follow them on social media. The other one is a thank you card. And the last one is Wax Like a Pro Quick Beginner Guide, which this comes in very, very handy. Obviously in the first video I read through it, but if you guys do decide to get this kit, I would recommend reading this. And I would also recommend reading the "Can you be allergic to waxing" little information paper. It does say to do a patch test 24 hours before waxing. I personally did not do this and will not be doing it now, obviously because I already tried the waxing, but I didn't end up trying the patch test. But if you guys have way more sensitive skin and are allergic to certain things, I would recommend reading that little pamphlet and probably doing the 24-hour test before waxing. So I do have the machine here. I do have some leftover wax from the previous time that I did it. I figured I could still reuse it and probably just mix it with whatever other wax I use. So I'm gonna turn on the machine to the highest temperature, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour these wax beads. I'm probably gonna pour about half. And then just cover it. So as you guys can probably see, the wax beads are in there, and then just cover it and wait till that melts. The cool thing about this specific waxing machine is that obviously you can see here, I don't know if you can tell, you can turn the numbers and it tells you the temperature. And then this little light right here will turn green once the machine is that temperature. You want to have a stick ready to mix the wax. All right guys, I brought another light because I feel like it was for some reason getting darker in here, so hopefully that helps. So I'm probably just gonna show you guys how I wax my armpit, my armpit, and maybe part of my legs. I'm still not sure. So I'm gonna spray my underarms with the pre-wax spray. This kind of just moisturizes the skin a little bit. And what I like to do, I like to just kind of spread it in between the hairs and kind of just clean that area. And another tip that I learned while I was doing the wax research is that a lot of people recommend using powder before you go in with the wax. And then you want to kind of let this dry. So I'm probably going to zoom you guys in way more so you guys could see how long my hair is. All right guys, so I have zoomed you in a little more. So I don't know if you guys are able to tell how long my hair is. So the wax is pretty melted. I'm just gonna mix it up here. So after the wax is melted, you wanna lower the temperature to a temperature that you won't burn your skin. A temperature that I found was perfect was 150, and then sometimes I would bump it up to 152 or 154. I'm gonna go ahead and powder my underarm. So I'm just gonna rub it in there. And this is to absorb all the moisture that is on your skin. That way the wax really grips to the hair. All right guys, so the wax is at 152. And on the little pamphlet, it says to get it to like a honey consistency. And what you want to do is spread the wax in the direction that the hairs are growing. So my hairs are actually going different directions, so I may have to do more than one. So here we go. Ooh, what? So you want to taunt your skin like this, and then you want to take a little bit, you want to take the tip off to create like a little tail to pull from. And you just want to wait till it's kind of dry but not hard. Oh my gosh, I still get nervous. I know I've done it once, but ouch, ouch. So it actually got everything. So there's one little section that I left off, and that one I'm actually gonna go downwards because the hairs on that part are kind of going everywhere. Also, what I read on the little pamphlet was to apply pressure when you're spreading the wax. Don't be scared to really push the wax in there. I did try the waxing strips that I was telling you guys about earlier. I did try it under my arms, and one, it hurt way more than the actual wax, and two, it didn't grab almost any of my hairs. I don't know if you guys could see how much cleaner that is. Look at that. So what I want to do is I'm actually gonna get way closer to the camera so you guys could see this arm, and then I'll show you an after. So this is my right underarm. You guys could see the hair. And then I don't know if I mentioned to pull opposite direction of where your hair is growing. This one feels a little thinner. Another thing that I recommend too is if it's your first time waxing and you're kind of scared, I would suggest doing it in sections instead of doing like one whole section, because that hurts way more. So ouch. So we're gonna do one more. So I still have a few more tiny hairs to get. A section right here. Alright guys, here I'm showing you my right armpit. It does leave a little leftover wax, but you can just either peel it off or clean it up yourself. But look how clean that looks. This is the other arm. So clean. And for the final step, I'm just gonna spray with the after wax spray just to kind of clean up the residue of the wax. And it does moisturize your skin. And these sprays do have coconut oil in it, I believe. Oh no, it just says with coconut scent. So the pre-wax spray says it cleans and moisturizes and prepares perfect waxing. And the after wax spray says moisturize and smooth, remove wax residue. So yeah. So if you guys saw like tiny little hairs, sometimes the wax won't grab super tiny hairs like that. It does say your hair has to be at least 1/4 of an inch, so the wax can really rip it off. So overall, I do love this waxing kit. I think it's perfect for those people that either one, don't want to spend on going out and getting waxed, and two, for those people that are either shy or embarrassed to get waxing done by somebody else. So I'll leave this waxing kit linked down below. I do recommend it for those people that want to try waxing, and this kit actually has everything for you that you will need. The only thing that I needed was just the powder, but you can even do it without the powder. But yeah, so that concludes this video. If you guys enjoyed watching this video and this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos from me, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.